Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a pretty exciting update for all the Arch Linux fans out there. EndeavourOS has just rolled out its newest release called Ganymede, and it's packing some seriously fresh tech under the hood. So EndeavourOS Ganymede is the latest stable snapshot of this Arch-based distro, and it's launching with Linux kernel 6.17 and the shiny new KDE Plasma 6.5.3 desktop environment. And yep, that's available both in the live environment and the offline installer. Basically, everything looks cleaner, faster, and overall just more polished. All right, let's talk about what's actually changed. First up, the team has swapped out the old mallet virtual keyboard for the Qt6 virtual keyboard in STDM. So if you're using the KDE Plasma edition, you'll get a much smoother login experience. And they've also added Python Ginger to improve the out-of-the-box experience for glances, which is nice if you monitor system stats a lot. For LXDE fans, there are a bunch of little cleanup tweaks. They've removed those GTK3 postfixes from packages, replaced OBCONF with LX Appearance OBCONFGTK3, dropped GNOME screenshot and renamed PACMANFMGTK3 to just PACMANFM. It's all like small stuff, but it keeps the LXD install cleaner and more consistent. Under the hood, Ganymede ships with the Mesa 25.2.7 graphics stack, the new NVIDIA 580.105.08 driver, and an updated Calamares installer, which should make installation a little smoother. But the part I really love, EndeavourOS now automatically detects your GPU during ISO boot, and depending on your hardware, it installs either the proprietary NVIDIA driver or the open source NVIDIA Open driver. That's honestly super convenient. Oh, and you're also getting some up-to-date apps right out of the box, like the latest Firefox 145 release. And if you're using the i3 edition, they replaced X Backlight with Brightness SCTL, which should work better on more devices. So yeah, EndeavourOS Ganymede is available to download right now on the official website. And remember, since EndeavourOS is a rolling release distro, if you're already using it, you don't need to reinstall anything. Just open your terminal and run, and boom, you're fully up to date. Alright folks, that's the rundown on EndeavourOS Ganymede. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna try it out or if you're already running EndeavourOS. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.